Hey, it's Neil and I am in my Tesla Model Y, and if you have one of these, you might have this same problem too. If you look over here, it's kind of wearing away at some of this goop over here. I don't know exactly what happened, but I found something online, and I kind of opened it up a little bit, but I'll open it up the rest of the way with y'all here so you can see what it is, and it is a replacement kind of pieces that go over it, and they look like carbon fiber, so I thought, hey, that looks kind of cool. So let's check these things out and see what they look like. It comes with a whole kit of a whole bunch of different pieces and stuff, but let's see how these are. See if I can open this up with one hand while I'm filming with the other. So here we go. So I guess this is gonna be the one for here. So this will go, oh, maybe not. No, it's backwards one, I think. Oh, no, that is that how it's gonna go like that? It looks too small. Oh, it's two-piece part. So open this one up too. I guess those are probably for the back doors. This is the front door one here. Man, this is really hard to do with one hand. Okay. Okay, so it's gonna be one of these two here. So let's see, let's open it up, close it up here a little bit, and it'll be something, one of these. I guess it's that one there. And it'll go like that. Oh, look at that, it's gonna look sweet. And then this will cover this piece here, like that, I guess. Can't see it very well, like that. So it'll have it all looking carbon fibery. How sweet is that? So it'll have those two covered, that covered. Oh, here's another one of those pieces. Maybe this is the one that goes here. Yeah, that one fits a lot better. So that'll fit there. What else does it have? It has these little pieces here. Oh, that's gonna be for up here. So I'll put those on and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we go. This is it complete. So it has a cover for this. It has a cover for this door. Oh, that one just popped right off. Isn't that the pull tab one? Let me see, I'll show you. I didn't push it on very good, I guess. Let's hope it stays on better than that. So there, now it's on there. And how do you open it? What does this do? Isn't it a pull-up thing? I can't remember how this worked. Oh, you pull the whole thing up like that if you want to open it manually. I see. Okay, so that's what that one goes. So it's got the cover for that. It's got the cover for this right here. You can see right there. And then the button there. I think you can still see a little bit of that door thing you threw there. Kind of weird. But, and then the window just doesn't have a cover for that. It's kind of weird. I don't know. But otherwise, it looks pretty good though. It covers up all the yucky stuff that was there before. So I'm gonna say thumbs up from that. So looks good. I'm gonna go do the rest of the doors now.